Welcome to Gut Company, the most efficient manufacturing plant on Earth, and you are the CEO. Today's shipment? A vibrant berry smoothie bowl topped with superfood chia seeds, fresh fruit, and rich sea moss gel. Let's head inside. First stop, the receiving dock. The teeth gang crushes the toppings and raw materials into manageable chunks, while the saliva crew sprays down the hall with enzymes to break down complex starches right on the spot. The tongue rolls everything into a neat cargo bundle called a bolus, then dumps it down the esophagus conveyor. Thanks to rhythmic muscle contractions, peristalsis, this conveyor works upside down, sideways, or in zero G. Welcome to the mixing vat. The stomach churns the smoothie mixture and sea moss gel in a bath of hydrochloric acid, strong enough to strip paint off a car. Here, pepsin scissors chop up complex proteins and plant peptides into smaller amino acid pieces. After 2 to 4 hours of churning, your superfood blend is now a nutrient-dense liquid soup called chyme. Security opens the sphincter gate, and away it goes. Enter the sorting facility, 20 feet of high-tech chemical extraction. First, the pancreas blasts the acid with neutralizers, while bile from the gallbladder breaks down healthy fats into easy-to-grab drops. Millions of microscopic fingers, called villi, absorb key minerals, vitamins, and anti-inflammatories directly into your bloodstream. Nutrients from the sea moss, berries, and seeds are loaded onto blood delivery trucks bound for the rest of your body. What's left moves to waste management. The colon extracts remaining water and trace minerals, leaving behind indigestible plant fiber, dead cells, and friendly gut bacteria. Once compacted into a neat final package, the system alerts the CEO. A quick trip to the porcelain throne, and the assembly line is ready for its next shift.